Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, I am going to discuss the basic thermodynamics, that is lecture 4, that is zeroth law of thermodynamics. I am going to explain the statement of zeroth law of thermodynamics and its explanation I am going to take. The first we will take, that is statement of zeroth law of thermodynamics. If two bodies are thermal equilibrium with third body separately, then both are also thermal equilibrium with each other. And this statement we can state in different way, that is, if the body A is thermal equilibrium with body B and A is thermal equilibrium with body C separately, then body B and C are also in thermal equilibrium with each other by zeroth law of thermodynamics. Here thermal equilibrium means the temperature remains same. Okay. The explanation here will take, that is, here the two bodies A, B, and which are separated connected with the body C we have taken. And the body A and B are separated by the non-conductive wall, that is the adiabatic wall, and body A and C and B and C are separated by the wall, conductive wall or a diathermic wall. Then there will be energy exchange between A and C, and those will become a thermal equilibrium with each other after the energy exchange. Then from the B and C also the energy exchange taking place, and both B and C are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. Here the A and C is thermal equilibrium with each other, and B and C also thermal equilibrium with each other separately. Then next we will exchange whatever these walls are there. Okay, the body A and C and B and C are separated by the adiabatic wall, there is a non-conductive wall. And now the body A and B are separated by the diathermic wall or a conductive wall. As here there is no exchange of energy between the A and B taking place, because of that both A and B are also in thermal equilibrium with each other. That will come to know. And that is the statement of the zeroth law of thermodynamics, what we have stated, and that is the base for temperature measurement. Thanks for watching. If you like, share, subscribe and comment.